Hello friends, so I am back with another video. So in this video I am going to be talking about how you can install Windows alongside a Mac on a MacBook Pro. So this is relatively very simple. What you need to do is download Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. The link will be down in the description, and select the May 2019 update and download the ISO. Confirm and select your language. Uh, I am going to download English and 64-bit. So once you have downloaded this, what you need to do is fire up Bootcamp. It is a Mac utility that lets you install Windows alongside Mac without any issues, and it will automatically boot into Windows. So press Command and Spacebar to open the Spotlight search and search for Bootcamp Assistant. Continue, and over here you can see I have already installed Windows on my system, so it is asking me to restore the space I given to my Windows machine. So in your case you will get option to select the Windows ISO and the partition you want to assign to the Windows machine. Like I have given over here 48 GBs to the Windows machine. After that you just click on continue and it will download all the drivers and drivers, sound drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, all the required softwares for Windows, and reboot into the Windows installation setup. And the rest of it is same as the normal Windows install. Like you select the bootcamp partition and format the bootcamp partition and install Windows on it. And that's it. And I hope you liked it. And if you do comment below and subscribe to our channel.